Yes lads, welcome to another video. It's the day after doing my bonnet risers. Looks alright to be fair. And today we're doing spoiler risers. Now I did order some unbranded spoiler risers from some company on eBay. They were 50 quid and they sent the wrong thing. So they sent me 2 big clips, 1 medium and 3 small when it should have been 2 of each. So literally last night I ordered NTC ones off eBay and they literally came this morning, so massive shout out to them. They came rapid, so I couldn't be doing this video today if it weren't for them, so nice one. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take your top brake light out. It's literally just 2 torque bits, so it's easy. That's off. See that? Oh, you can't see it on the light, can you? It says Malseed. It's cool, isn't it? So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to undo these 3. Now these 2 are just Torx bits. I think that one is an 8mm bolt. And then obviously the same for the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and remove these. Now after everything's undone, the 6 bolts, just close the boot slowly so it don't fall off. Spoiler should come off easy. Now the kit comes something like this, guys. So you should have 6 pieces, 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and then some washers, bolts and 6 stickers which go over the holes that you won't be using so that rain doesn't get through them. So from my understanding, the big ones go on the outside. So right, so we've got them set up where we want them. So just cracking on now, getting them on. So guys, I'm having trouble getting the last big one in the left side because one of the screws won't screw in properly, so I'm looking for a bigger one at the moment, but we're just going to get on with the other ones. So your medium sized ones, they're going to go in the middle into these holes here. I'll go ahead, get the other side in. Right, so we've got them 4 in. Now all we need to do is get the smaller ones in, which are located down here, so we'll go ahead and do them. Again, some of the screws that are supplied with this kit, they don't really fit, so I'm going to use my own. Not that they don't fit, they're just not secure enough, so they keep on coming out by themselves. Right, the next thing you want to do is line your spoiler up with the holes on the roof and just make sure that they all line up, so when you go put it on you're not messing about trying to get it in line. Before you put the spoiler on, I just go around and just clean where the spoiler's been. So, because you'll be able to see under that once it's on, so I just clean all this off. And once you've got that decent enough, then you can go and put these, you can go ahead and put these on where the clips will be to hold your spoiler on, because your spoiler isn't actually going to touch your car now, so you need to cover them up for the, make sure water don't get into your boot. Right now, once the stickers are on, you can go ahead and put your spoiler onto your boot. Right now, all you're going to do is go ahead, get someone to hold the other side while you put one side on, and when that side's secure, you can put the other side on. Just get someone to hold the wing up on the other side. And now once you've got one side on, the other side should stay on itself, so you can go ahead and do the other side. If any of them aren't positioned properly, you can always use set bell and keys to just move them. That's why when you put them on, you shouldn't do them extra tight, but tight enough and not going to come off. And now once everything's tightened up and it's in place and it's all ready to go, let's down your boot and just make sure it's not going to come off while you're driving. Could be a bit of wobble, but it shouldn't move that much. And just the last thing you need to do, guys, is to just put your top brake light back in. Now guys, we've got the finished product. It's looking quite nice actually. Make sure it don't come off. Do you know what, I wasn't really liking the bonnet riser I did yesterday, but with the wing as well, kind of makes it look alright, don't you think? Yeah, it looks alright that. Well, I'm going to keep them on for a bit. If I get bored I'll take them off. But yeah, right guys, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so you know when I post so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time.